To unbox the printer, begin by removing the 4 white plastic packaging holders located on 2 sides of the printer box. Next, lift the printer box off the printer and remove all plastic packaging wrap from the printer body. Before placing the printer on the stand, be sure to lock all 4 caster wheels to keep the stand from moving during installation. Locate the 4 lift handles on the side of the printer. With at least 2 people, lift the printer using these 4 side handles and carefully place onto a stand or table. Remove all packaging tape from the printer and trays. Open the printer's front cover and unpackage each of the 4 toner containers. Before inserting the toner, shake each toner container up and down 5 to 6 times to ensure even distribution of toner within the cartridge. With the toner label facing up, insert the toner into place, keeping the container horizontal. Repeat the same procedure for all 4 toner cartridges, then close the front cover. Plug in the power cord into the back of the printer, then insert the Ethernet cable into the side port, and power the printer on.